Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to Easy Access Tech. In this tutorial, I show you how to install a new language on Windows 11. This is very easy. Before starting the tutorial, please subscribe our channel for more interesting tech videos. So let's start. First, click on Start menu and then Settings. Now click on Time and Language. Now here Language and Region. Now here some language I have two languages, but now we need a new language. For this we install a new language. Now click on add a language. There are a lot of language Windows have. We install a new language which we need. For example, we install German language. Now we install Germany language. To install this, click here and then click on next. Here you can select some option. Language preference set as my Windows display language. If you will set this is as display language, tick here, but we don't need this. Also you can set it later. Now click on install. The language pack is downloading. This is already downloaded. Now you can change ordering here by dragging it, and also you can change display language from here, English, Germany. That's it for now. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please like this tutorial and also as well as subscribe our channel. Thank you very much.